Are you bro?
Excited.
Now, so they're gonna close the workshop where the car is in storage, so I'm just gonna let them keep it, but
And I was hesitant to buy these parts, like, because like for me it was just like, you know what, like I was gonna sell the car, man.
okay.
And then I thought, I mean, NVS also asked me to join.
Yeah,
So now I'm doing it with the clothes, so I'm keeping it and making mods.
nice.
But don't tell anyone, bro, because I was getting Christmas gifts. But shot, bro.
What is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I last posted and I actually took a bit of a break from the editing, so that's the reason why I haven't put out any new content. But as you guys will have seen at the beginning of this video, I actually met up with Ethan Benson, aka VS Rides, a local YouTuber, just to hand over his lower control arm rear subframe brace kit, which he ordered from me in Neochrome. So that is the intro to this video. And today we are actually at the TypeR versus TypeS night run, and I have previously attended one of them before, but the previous one was S2000 versus TypeR versus TypeS, and for that run I actually went through with a bike as wood was still in the workshop being resprayed. So naturally, having gone to the first one, I decided, hey, let's get wood out for this one. But unfortunately, the workshop has been closed for the weekend, so I wasn't able to pull wood out. And I am here with the Jazz, which is parked over here, just behind the Accord. And as you can see behind me as well, there are a couple of Accords and Type Rs. And then Mubashir is also pulled through with his Lude, and I'm just waiting for one or two other Lude owners. So would have been cool to have wood part of this, but oh well, next time. Let me just flip my camera and let's get to some cinematics. And sounds different from the last time I saw you, maybe.
Sounds different. Everything is different. Alright?
Yes, bro.
Alright, man.
How's
What's
it?
yours, bro?
Gentlemen,
But how's it, man?
how's it?
How's it, man?
Good, good. How are you guys?
We're vlogging.
We vlogging. Yes, you will.
How's it?
Right and you?
Oh shit! It was very embarrassing.
Uncle, my pop.
You can load literally everything on here that's on a cell phone.
Does that make a call fast?
How much you say that the man is recording it?
Boss, hi there, it's me.
Let me just play something call out and at least you can show them. Just
Did you hook up the OBD scanner with it also?
everything.
Yeah.
Sorry man, sorry my brother man. Oh shit.
Yes, sir. I don't know.
Quality is
We made it now. Yeah. Yeah, we parked already. Yeah, Spectre's camper. I don't even know you're gonna get parking on the inside.
And that's the end of the video, guys. I ended up not going on the last leg of the run to the meeting point at Hout Bay, but I must say that it actually felt like a bit of a mini Honda day with all the cars that turned up at the Eden's Cove location. So it was quite cool seeing familiar faces, but also meeting some guys that I haven't met before. And I must say that the Honda scene is still thriving quite well here in Cape Town. Clearly COVID hasn't had much of an impact in the guys wanting to get together and just chill, socialize and talk about all things cars. Anyway, I'm going to be calling it quits now for this video. Do stay tuned as I am currently finalizing the edit featuring Keegan's Static Air S2000. So if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, then guys please do, as well as hitting that bell icon for notifications of future videos that will be dropping. Until the next one, remember, your build, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.